Hi everyone, I am Abel Gomez. Today we will see important points about obesity and the importance of nutrition. Obesity and nutritional breaking point. There is great concern about increase in case of obesity, so it's essential to make changes that generate more favorable figures for future generations. Nutrition is a subject that remains on hold in most homes, so nutrition education and interest in individual fitness is a challenge for all institutions and organizations dedicated to talking about obesity. A young man named Raphael suffered from obesity problems, even struggling with depression. In his first school years, he began to adopt bad eating habits, so he began to distance himself from others' diet to the ridicule he received. He avoided going to the doctor or consulting nutrition food. When the criticisms had a very strong point at school, he decided to change his life. At 127 kilograms in health problems related to obesity, he made the decision to change his life forever. Now, with the help of nutritionists, his family, and his own willpower, he has developed a broader concept of happiness, as he now relates his physical health to his mental health. He was able to feel physical and mental well-being after a tireless fight against obesity that he had. Raphael believes that obesity is a silent killer that can consume the life expectancy of people who suffer from it. That is why he supports every obesity control and prevention campaigns, as it can mean a big step in everyone's quality of life. Nutrition, the face of health in the community. Obesity is determined by the balance of energy intake and expenditure. 30% of adults in the world are obese. 39% of adults in the world are overweight. 1/5 children in adolescence globally are overweight. The culture, lifestyle, and nutrition of a community are reflected in the health statistics related to obesity. Obesity as a starting factor for other diseases. The diseases that are generated by obesity can wreak havoc in future generations tied to the nutritional inheritance of different families in the community. Among these diseases are diabetes, hyperglycemia, heart disease, stroke, kidney disease, nerve problems, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, coronary disease, some types of cancer, among others. Action steps. We ourselves can make important decisions about our health and that of our family by teaching and learning habits that are focused on increasing our life expectancy. For example, doing exercise at least 3 times a week for 3 minutes. Eat healthy food, include whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Treat obesity problems for an early age. Do exercise, among other relevant points to avoid being overweight. I believe that nutrition is the face of health in the community because culture, lifestyle, and education are reflected in general health statistics. Therefore, control over this problem is essential to have even greater budget control. This does not mean that healthcare is worthless. Rather, it means that we can avoid many costs that can go towards preventing rather than treating disease. We can also consider that promoting programs make a difference in reducing risk factors. Big mistakes make big changes, therefore, learn to properly nourish yourself and activate yourself with exercise. Develop awareness of the dangers of obesity and lack of proper nutrition. Discuss with family members about obesity and its consequences. Help others understand the most important aspect of obesity. Support programs that help address obesity problems in that to promote ways to prevent and treat the disease early. Participating in health campaigns make us active citizens who want to achieve the changes we need as a society. Science, We must recognize obesity as a risk factor and begin to modify our nutrition, minor bad habits, and our attitude towards participation in various campaigns that focus on everyone's health. Let's not forget that we must be the change we want to see. Thanks for your time.